cut grooves into the flutes and insert springboards, like this, and then step up to the point where they wanted to girdle, which would be right around here. This part of the tree was of no use. It was irregular shaped wood. So they wanted to get above that, and then that's where they girdle it. You could probably get 3, 4, 16-foot sections of wood out of this tree. So this would be the perfect tree they'd go out.